Here's a lick which works over an A major chord. Here it is again. So breaking this one down, I'm starting on the first string, fret number 4, going down to the first string, 3rd fret, same string, 2nd fret. So we recap that. So far we have my change strings to string number 2, fret 2, and then I go to the 4th fret. So far we have this, then first string, 2nd fret, and the open string. So just recapping, then the open string, and then right at the end I'm going to play an A major chord. Now you do this by placing your first finger on the 3rd string, 1st fret, and second finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and then strumming down. So here's the lick one more time, up to speed.